Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Blazer. This vehicle only has 3,066 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. For the month of September, all Apple customers will receive over $5,200 in savings on this specific vehicle. This front-wheel drive Blazer comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, and 18-inch bright silver aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our all-weather mats with jet black cloth seating with a white lining throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.